my guys, and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a 2023 Nissan Altima. I'm doing floor mat from LASFIT. So let's get to it. This is my new to me 2023 Nissan Altima. I'm doing floor mats because the original floor mats, they're not gonna cut it. So that's what I have. The car came with this only, and you guys know that these ones, they're gonna stain. They're not gonna be easy to clean. They're always gonna be dirty no matter what. So LASFIT is the way to go because it's easy to clean. Carpet is gonna stay fresh. Water, snow, dirt is gonna stay in the mats, not on your carpet. Eventually, when you start bringing water to your carpet, this is gonna stain, it's gonna have a lot of odor, and it's gonna be bad for your vehicle, especially with this because nothing is covering the middle part. These new floor mats, they're gonna have protection all the way around. It's gonna be much better for your vehicle. So let's clean this first before I start bringing the new mats. I'm gonna get the old ones out, vacuum the carpet, and put the new ones. Looks like the new mats, they're gonna be good because they're gonna cover the carpet around, and that's what's important. All the dirt, water, snow is gonna stay in here. Quality is good, no smell, they're not gonna crack, and we're gonna protect the carpet, which is important. So those are awesome. Definitely, I always recommend LASFIT for LEDs and floor mats. Carpet is clean now, but let me tell you what, Nissan has the worst carpet I have ever seen. My RAV4, it has a better carpet. This one, difficult. So that's why you need this type of floor mats before that carpet gets that dirty. And it's not really bad, but it's a lot of stuff that it's hard to get it off. Now, see the old ones? Crusty and ugly. Let's change this. I saw companies before, like in my RAV4 I used to have WeatherTech. Those before 1 year old, they start losing their shape. On these ones, they're not gonna lose their shape, they're always gonna stay that way. And this material is a lot better. And it's not only for Nissan. I have on my RAV4, you have Tesla, Chevrolet, you have Ram, any floor mat that you need. Link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get for your vehicle. But for this Nissan, those are the right ones. This is the driver. It's gonna cover all the way around and behind the gas pedal. Goes up. Amazing. Look how it covers here. How it folds all the way to the back. Looks good. Covers a lot better. Here is the passenger side. It's been in the box for I think a long time, so it needs to relax, and it's gonna go down on this side and on this corner, but a lot more protection than the regular mat. Okay, this is the one that I really wanted to have. Protect the middle. Middle wasn't protected before with the regular mat. Now look at this. Tunnel is being protected. Coverage is amazing in here. It needs to settle down a little bit on that corner, but look at the coverage. Perfect. All the way around. And tunnel now is protected. 100% recommended. You can see the coverage all the way around. Once the rubber relax in here, it's gonna cover exactly where all the lines are in the floor. Covers all the way to the back in the tunnel, all the way to the front. Perfect fit, man. It's just amazing. There you have it, guys. Link in the description for the floor mat. And like I said before, go to the link and you can choose for any vehicle you have. Definitely LASFIT for floor mats. 100% recommended. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.